Wassam with it. It's your boy, it's Miley True. I'm a technical trader. So today, I want to show you guys how I trade. I'm a choice. So I know it's a lot of different strategies out now, but I'm telling you guys, technical is just the right way. Don't ever switch up on the technicals, the old school. That's the best way to trade. I promise you. I promise you. So yeah, let's just get straight into the chart. All right, let's get it. We already need too big of an intro. Let's get this money. We don't need to talk too much. We need to say, of course, none of that. I'm gonna tell you exactly what I do when I get into the markets. First, we're gonna see the day, the days, see where it's at. Boom. So right now, it's close to 26,000. Me, I trade off of bank numbers. I like to trade off of numbers that I know the market is trying to go to and the market's trying to react to. A lot of traders be saying that the market numbers don't matter, but really and truly, those numbers does matter. It do matter. Please listen to me. So right now it's at 26,000. So the last zone it fell from, or bounced from was 25,000. I told y'all, man, always keeping them precise. Never switch up. So boom. So now since it broke this lower high, I do think it's gonna bull and go up. But I do see a potential head and shoulders for me. But we're gonna talk about it right now. See, I'm already trying to get into it. We're gonna talk about that right now. I'm gonna show you guys how I chart. Um, let's see, 26,000. So me, I like to put boxes around mines. 50 pips above, 50 pips below. Let's keep precise. Boom. So these are my two main levels. When I come to the market, these will be my two main levels when I come into the chart. 25,000 and 26,000. Boom. Matter of fact, I don't gotta, I'm just gonna copy. Alright, boom. So yeah, these are my two main levels. So I do see in the past that it stopped and dropped a lot. So me, like I said, I keep my spots at certain numbers. Like this one look like it keep falling from 800. So I put it on 800. So every time it came to this 25,800, it dropped down majorly. Boom, dropped down a lot. And look, see, it went exactly to the zone. I wasn't peeping this out. This is the 25,000 that it fell to. So we went from this zone, from 25,800 to 25,000. That's an 800 point drop. Then went back up 800 points. Then dropped back to it even more. And then eventually, it what is called structured down. But some people are some people use quarters, so you can go like 750 if you want to do it like that. Like 750 in the middle of the in the middle in the middle of the major zones. These would be like the mid zones. 250, 750. See, look, went up. You tested the 250, it started going up. And also, sometimes I'll put 25,000 in the 500 range in between each one. I'll make that like a major zone also because it could potentially stop that and then reverse or vice versa. You could do it like this. But I don't like to really have too much lines on my screen. Like this probably would be off my screen Cause this is where it's at right now. It's actually look like it's doing the head and shoulders off of the 750 right now, so it could potentially drop tomorrow. If it break through this EMA, it could potentially break down tomorrow and go for a drop. Like this would be the head and shoulders right here. Shoulder, head. This could be a potential shoulder. So it could potentially break down something like this. Boom, boom, boom. It could potentially do that. But you never know, because it do like a double top formation too, right here and over here. So, yeah. But yeah, that's all I do. Not nothing too major. You gotta keep your charts clean. Less is more when it comes to trading. You don't want to trade all day, every day. Just all you need just one or two good moves out the week, especially on something like Nas or gold, or Dow Jones. Man, you gonna make a lot of money in just 2 or 3 trading days. I promise you. I promise you. I'm only trading M&Q right now, so not trading, but I'm only I'm only marking up M&Q today. That's what I meant to say. Count loss right now. But yeah, peace and love.